Welcome to This Explainer. Okay, so right now there is this massive industry-wide shift tearing through the professional world. And frankly, a lot of project managers are just flat out exhausted by it. Today, we're tackling a collaborative roadmap for mastering AI and project management, but we're going to do it in a way that doesn't leave you feeling completely isolated, overwhelmed, and burnt out. It's really all about bringing people back to the center of the technology.
So let's start with Section 1, the AI training problem, and exactly why current learning methods are just completely failing project managers.
Okay, let's dive into this. The AI disruption we're facing in project management is incredibly real, and it is moving at breakneck speed. But here's the hard truth. The way most project managers are currently being trained to handle this new tech, it's just draining. Seriously, are you tired of watching AI tutorials in complete isolation? Think about it. Sitting alone, staring at a screen, trying to figure out how to force some complicated new AI tool into your daily workflow? It's a really lonely experience. When you hit a roadblock, there's nobody there to bounce ideas off of. It's just you and a pre-recorded video. And honestly, that's just not how professionals learn best. So let's compare the old way with the new way. The old way relies heavily on these isolated lecture-style webinars. And you know exactly the ones I'm talking about, right? You log in, someone just talks at you for an hour, your eyes completely glaze over while you're secretly catching up on emails, you jot down a few notes, and you leave with a bunch of theory but absolutely zero practical application for your specific projects. Project managers absolutely hate these. The new way, on the other hand, is all about collaborative working sessions. This is what professionals actually crave. We want hands-on, dynamic environments where you're actively engaging with the material, working through real problems, and collaborating with each other in real time. Moving right along to Section 2, Human-Centric Project Leadership, which is the true antidote to AI burnout. Now, this brings us to a massive philosophical shift regarding how we actually survive and thrive during this technological disruption. Because the antidote to all this AI burnout isn't more technology, and it's certainly not longer tutorials. So what does this actually mean? Well, human-centric leadership means harnessing AI by actively leaning into your critical soft skills, your stakeholder management, and your leadership abilities. By focusing on these deeply human strengths, the things AI simply cannot do, you actually reduce your own burnout and dramatically improve your overall well-being. So what's really interesting here is that our ultimate defense against AI disruption is actually doubling down on being human. You let the AI handle the data processing while you handle the people. And how exactly do we cultivate those human skills while simultaneously learning how to use AI? Well, we do it by changing the learning environment entirely. It turns out small groups naturally lead to much deeper conversations and far better results. Bringing project managers together in small, focused, interactive groups naturally sparks the kind of meaningful, problem-solving conversations that standard massive webinars completely miss. It creates this safe space to ask questions, share failures, and build a genuine understanding. All right, that brings us to Section 3, the collaborative AI solution. Enter AImeetsPM. So what does this collaborative approach actually look like in the real world? Well, we have a really concrete solution to explore from our source material today. It's a collaborative AI applications training program spearheaded by Athar Sofdar, and it's designed specifically to bridge the gap between artificial intelligence and human project leadership. The whole thing is built around weekly 30-minute online sessions, and the ethos is just incredibly straightforward and refreshing. Step 1, bring an open mind. There is absolutely no judgment here, whether you're a total novice or a total tech wizard. Step 2, share what actually works. Project managers from the wildly curious to the highly experienced all come together to share real techniques from the trenches. And Step 3, gain real-world AI applications. You're not getting hypotheticals here, you are getting actionable intelligence where AI and business management actually converge. Now for Section 4. Tangible benefits for PMs, or what you actually walk away with. Let's get right down to brass tacks and look at the immediate, tangible value propositions that make these quick 30-minute sessions totally worth putting on your busy calendar. Talk about an immediate return on your investment. Right off the bat, for every single session you attend, you earn 0.5 PDUs, those are professional development units, plus a completion certificate. That is immediate, concrete professional value for literally just half an hour of your time, helping you maintain your certifications while you learn. And this brilliantly illustrates the real value here. Because beyond the PDUs, you're actually building a curated AI prompt library tailored specifically for project management workflows. So no more guessing what to type into ChatGPT. You're also trading peer-tested insights with other PMs, swapping what actually works in the field every single day. Plus, you're expanding your network with a group of like-minded professionals. This kind of practical shared knowledge is infinitely better than sitting alone trying to decipher complex AI theory. Which leads us to Section 5. When and how to join. let's look at the logistics for your calendar. So if you're ready to stop experimenting alone, banging your head against the keyboard, and you want to start learning collaboratively, you're going to need the details. The schedule is incredibly clean and accessible. These sessions happen every Sunday from 10:30 a.m. to 11 a.m. And the format, it's fully online via Zoom, meaning you can join from literally anywhere. It is just a quick, high-value, 30-minute Sunday morning session that fits perfectly into the weekend schedule of a busy professional who wants to get ahead for the week. And just to reiterate exactly who should be attending this, it is built for business leaders, project, program, and agile managers. It truly doesn't matter if you're just exploring the very basics of what AI can do, or if you're already heavily experimenting with complex workflows. All you need to bring to the table is an open mind and a willingness to learn from your peers.
We've covered a lot of ground today, but I really want to leave you with this final, provocative thought. Are you ready to share your AI journey and elevate your human-centric leadership? It might just be time to completely ditch those isolated, exhausting video tutorials and finally step into a collaborative space where your human skills are recognized as your absolute greatest asset. Thanks for joining me on this explainer, and I hope this gives you a powerful new roadmap for your own professional growth.